Hey everyone. So, if you want your emails and schedule to work together smoothly, yeah, integrating Gmail with Google Calendar can save you a lot of time. I'll show you how to use them together like a pro. First, open your Gmail account on desktop. Now, click the calendar icon on the right side to open your schedule. Open an email and use the menu to create an event. Google will autofill the event details from the email. Add guests and include a meeting link if needed. Enable smart features so events can be created automatically. Make sure your account sync is turned on across devices. You can also turn emails into reminders. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Gmail with Google Calendar and stay organized.